Hey, what's up? It's Jordan Dove, Dove and Associates, powered by Nationwide Realty. Look, we are in the midst of the biggest, hottest seller's market we have ever seen. Homes are flying off the shelf. It's like toilet paper back in March. You can't find it anywhere, okay? I wrote a book. It's called Selling Secrets You Can't Afford to Miss. Go get it. It's free. I wrote it for you. I want you to understand the best ways for you to be able to get the most money for your house. What's going to work, what doesn't work, everything. It's all in my book. It's free. It's yours. Selling Secrets You Can't Afford. Click the link in the description. Click the link below. Visit my website, jordandove.com/books. Go get it. You see it. It's free. It's for you. If you want a hard copy signed, I will send it to you. I only made 100 of each, okay, for the first edition. Maybe we'll upgrade it. Maybe we won't. But signed copy, if you want it, send me your contact information. Free shipping. I don't care. I want people to be informed and educated and get the most money they can. So here's my book, Selling Secrets You Can't Afford to Miss. Click the link. Go get it down below. It's in the comments, jordandove.com/books. Go get it. You're going to want to read it. Your mind's going to be blown. Boom.